Right now, I'm seeing many people suffering from mid-back pain. It's especially common in people who sit for long hours or seeing as lots of people are working from home and often from poor workstations. Unfortunately, when dealing with mid-back pain, it often requires lots of stretches, painful massage, and often foam rolling as well too. But I've got an unusual and super simple way to help alleviate your mid-back pain. What is this unusual tip, I hear you asking? Well, it's using essential oils. Stress has long been linked to back pain, and it's not surprising that at the moment, with all the changes going on, that back pain is at a record high because stress has increased a lot. When it comes to managing stress, essential oils can be incredibly effective. From a research article from Phytotherapy Research, it was found that inhaling the essential oil bergamot from a diffuser, even for brief periods, helps promote positive feelings. So, next time you're feeling pain, instead of reaching for Panadol or even for a massage ball, try inhaling the essential oil bergamot. My name is Fiona from Riverside Chiropractic. Hey, if you know someone who you think might benefit from this, then please tag them below. Thanks and see you soon.